Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to remove someone from your USAA account in 2025. Whether it's an ex-roommate, a former partner, or just someone who no longer needs access, managing your account's authorized users is crucial for security and privacy. USAA, as you know, is a top financial services provider for military members and their families, and their online tools are pretty straightforward once you know the ropes. So, let's dive right in. First off, ensure you're logged into your USAA account. If you haven't already, head to the USAA website or app and use your secure credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Account Settings, or Profile, section. It's usually found in the main menu or dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your personal details. Next, look for an option labeled Manage Authorized Users, Shared Access, or something similar. USAA might have tweaked their interface by 2025, so if it's not exactly where I describe, check their Help Center for the latest updates. In this section, you'll see a list of all the people you've added to your account. Now, select the individual you want to remove. There should be a Remove or Delete Access button next to their name. Before you proceed, double-check that you're removing the right person. Actions like this are often permanent and can't be undone easily. Once you're sure, click the button and follow any on-screen prompts, which might include confirming with a one-time code sent to your email or phone for added security. After you've confirmed the removal, log out of your account and log back in to verify the changes. This ensures everything has updated correctly. Remember, keeping your account secure is key, so only add users you trust and review your settings regularly. That's it for today's quick guide. If you follow these steps, you'll have that extra layer of protection in no time. If you run into any issues or USAA's process has changed, don't hesitate to contact their customer support. They're usually super helpful. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. See you next time.